Hello, and welcome to this video on Zoho SalesIQ's integration with Zoho CRM. This integration will be helpful in converting your website visitors to customers, monitoring how the visitors are performing, improve customer interaction, and close deals efficiently while keeping your CRM organized. Let's get started. This is Zilker Inc., an organization that builds multiple products and offers various software solutions. They have a separate web page for each of their products. They get good traffic in their website each day, and with Zoho SalesIQ, they track their visitors' digital footprints. With each new or returning visitor, Zilker sales reps understand how visitors navigate in real time and engage with them by chat. Now, what if Zilker wants to automatically add such visitors as leads or contacts into their CRM? They can do so by integrating their CRM account with Zoho SalesIQ, which provides information about the visitor's engagement in their website, allows them to handle the chat widget, and push the data collected into their CRM account. Sales reps can now stay notified about the visitors who view their site, assist them via chats, and close deals faster, all within the comfort of Zoho CRM. Now, let's see how you can go about that integration. Once you are logged into Zoho CRM's account, go to Setup, Channels, Chat. If you do not have an existing SalesIQ account, a Create Zoho SalesIQ pop-up appears like this. Enter a name for the portal, and your SalesIQ portal will be created. Wherever a new portal is created, the user is given an option to choose certain CRM users and add them into their SalesIQ account. You can choose which users from Zoho CRM that you want to add into your SalesIQ account here. On the other hand, since Zilker already has an existing SalesIQ account, they can associate it from the existing portals listed here and continue the configuration in the Zoho SalesIQ configuration pop-up. You can push new visitors as leads or contacts into your CRM account from here. Here, you can assign the visitors who are pushed as leads or contacts in the CRM to the chat attendee or to the specific CRM user. This toggle switch here can be used to enable or disable visitor notifications in their CRM. Now click Save. If you want to change this configuration, you can go to Settings, Zoho SalesIQ Configuration, and make the necessary changes. When you are done associating your portals in CRM, they get listed here in the drop-down list. The web embeds in each portal will be listed here in the list view. Since Zilker has a SalesIQ account in place, they have already embedded a visitor tracking code in their website. Zilker has launched a new product and has developed a separate web page for it, so let's see how they embed the code here. In Zoho CRM, click Embed and copy the code. Checking this box to hide the chat option means you are disabling the live chat option that the visitor can initiate from the web page. If this is checked, the code will have only the visitor tracking feature. If not, the code will have both the visitor tracking and live chat feature. Let's uncheck this and then copy the code. We're now opening Zilker's new product web page and pasting this code in the source file. Once you save the changes and make the web page live, you will get visitor tracking information from the web page into your CRM. If you find this too technical, you can email the code to your webmaster. Click Embed and then Send to Webmaster. Enter the email and click Send. Now your webmaster can set this up for you. Once you are done integrating SalesIQ with CRM, you can see a list of all the visits in the Visits tab in CRM. You can filter visits based on a specific SalesIQ portal. All the visit details are captured as records in the Visits tab. The fields here capture information such as time spent by the visitor in the web page, visited page, IP address, visitor's name, and more. The icon here at the bottom right corner is where you will get the visitor online notifications. Bob is a visitor on the Zilker webpage, and he is a lead in Zilker's CRM account. Since he's already a lead, you can see his name in the notification. You can also see the country from where he is accessing the website, the page he's visiting, and the duration of his session on Zilker's website. Apart from this, you see details about his previous visits, his visitor score, and the number of days he's visited Zilker's webpage. Visitor score is nothing but the lead score pulled from Zoho SalesIQ. The little chat icon here allows you to initiate a chat with that visitor. So, let's say Bob is spending a lot of time in the edition comparison page. A quick chat can help him decide which edition to proceed with. This will also help you close deals faster. Now, let's go to the Leads module. What you see here is a related list that gets added with the integration, which shows the list of visit records for that particular lead or contact. Apart from this, the integration also captures the visit summary of the lead. Bob is already a lead, so you can see his recent visit summary here. Now, every day, Zilker's website receives numerous visitors. Zilker sales reps sometimes cannot handle the overwhelming notifications of the visitors being pushed into their CRM. They cannot disable the notifications altogether as well. They manage this using routing rules. Routing rules in SalesIQ allows them to decide which visitors need to be tracked, and these visitors can be assigned to specific Zilker sales reps. Let's go to Settings, Channels, Chat. Select Routing Rules from the portal settings. Here we have some suggested routing rules that can be used. Let's create a new one. Name your routing rule. Here you can select the portal for which the rule is created. Here we specify the condition. Visitor stage can be any of these, CRM lead or CRM contact, or any of the other options. Say we want all CRM leads from a particular region to be assigned to a particular user. Then we add that routing rule. Choose CRM lead here, choose region here, is equal to Texas. Here you can select how you would like to assign the visitors to the operators. Select Route one by one. Click on the plus icon and assign the operators, then click Save. If we want to send notifications about visitors who do not belong to any of the criteria mentioned above to all CRM users, then you have to enable this checkbox, Route rest of the visitors to all users. Let's take another case. Bob is going through one of Zilker's products, and he's already a lead in the CRM. Information about him is already available in Zilker's CRM. He's making an annual revenue of $25,000. Zilker sales reps want to initiate a chat with him or any lead with this annual revenue as soon as they visit the website. This is done using triggers. In your CRM account, go to Settings, Channel, Chat, then select Triggers from the portal settings. Let's create a new trigger. Enter the name for the trigger, then select the website for which the trigger is assigned. Here you can choose when you would like to trigger this action. In this case, let's choose as soon as the lead lands on my website. Select the visitor stage as CRM lead. Enter criteria as annual revenue is more than $25,000. Then the type of action to be triggered is opening a chat window after 5 seconds. Click Save. You can add more trigger rules by clicking on Add Here. Now, usually employees from support team who are also SalesIQ users attend to the chat. We also see how we can assign CRM users to chat. But if Zilker wants users that are not in the CRM or SalesIQ to attend the live chat, then they can use the Manage Chat team. Go back to your CRM, go to Settings, Channel, Chat, and select Manage Chat Team from your portal settings. Click on Add Operator. Zilker can add the number of chat operators here by specifying their email ID and classifying them into one of the 3 roles that are available. User with an administrator role can access all of the information, edit configurations, and has the power to perform any action in Zoho SalesIQ. User with a supervisor role will have restricted power to perform actions and can access only selective information. Whereas user with an associate role can connect and chat with website visitors and can access or view only their data and chat information in the Zoho SalesIQ. Check this if you want to monitor this operator. Once a user is allotted to a particular role, it can be changed by editing his profile. Let's go back to the CRM visitor tracking page. You can disable a SalesIQ portal by selecting Settings, disable this portal here in CRM. You can also use the deactivate option here to disable all of the portals at once. Thank you for watching this video. For more resources on Zoho CRM, please visit www.zoho.com/crm/resources.